Hey guys, this is Tanya and welcome back to my channel TBDMF Love. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday. Before starting with the tutorial, let us first understand कि ये Foxy Eye makeup है क्या और इसे किसने start किया. This makeup trend actually got hit because of Bella Hadid, a supermodel who was recently named the most beautiful woman in the world. Her most attractive feature is her almond-shaped eyes, which is given a special name Foxy or Catty, hence the name Foxy Eye trend. But few people don't agree and says Megan Fox started this way back and that's why it is called Foxy Eyes. But don't get confused, the main aim of the challenge is to hide the drooping eyes and make it look more elongated. इसके लिए काफ़ी लोगों ने सर्जरी का यूज़ किया है, but we are going to use makeup to lift our eyes and face. Here is my take on this trend, Indian retro version. You can definitely see a difference in my before and after pics. I have given an Indian tadka to the whole look. Not just eyes, but face makeup also has an ability to accentuate our features. To top it up, tie your hair into a super high ponytail. Without much ado, let's start with this tutorial. So this is me without any makeup. I have moisturized and primed my face for now. First we are going to use orange corrector. इसे हम अपने dark pigmented areas में लगाएंगे जैसे under eyes, corner of lips and nose. उसके बाद beauty sponge से इसको blend कर देंगे. मैंने यहाँ My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream palette लिया है. Blend होने के बाद we using yellow corrector from the same palette and इसे भी under eyes में लगा देना है. So as to completely hide those dark circles and make them glow. Blend करने के बाद आपके dark circles गायब हो जाएंगे. Next, I'm using spoolie to brush my eyebrows. That is not my normal makeup routine, but मैंने ये सिर्फ इस tutorial के लिए किया है. कुछ लोग उनकी brows का end point भी cut कर देते हैं to make that arch. But I'm only going to fill my brows. You can notice the other side is now darker. Use a spoolie again and brush the eyebrows outwards. Take any concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 and will define my brows with the help of a flat brush. इसको मैं eyebrows के नीचे और ऊपर लगा रही हूँ to make your natural arch more prominent. Fill the eyelid with the same concealer to create a base for your eye makeup. Let this dry for a few minutes. तब तक have some water. I'm now taking a scotch tape. You may take any normal tape, but उसको पहले अपने हाथ में एक दो बार ऐसे लगाएं to remove its stickiness. Now I'm putting this at the end of my eyes. इसका एंगल आप ज़्यादा शार्प रखेंगे so that हमारी eyes ज़्यादा बड़ी लगे. In order to avoid any creasing, set the concealer with some powder. Use the same beauty sponge. For the eye makeup, I'm using Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose. My first pick is Matte Muted Apricot. Take it with a fluffy brush and with an outward motion, spread it all over your eyelids. You can take any palette which has different shades of black and brown. Next on the list is Matte Caramel, which is a little darker shade than before. With a thin brush, we are going to shade the outer corner. Slowly bottom पे इसको थोड़ा spread करेंगे. Remember, all the motion should be outward like shown here so as to make a wide angle. Next I'm taking even more darker shade, Matte Deep Brown. और उसे भी आईज में वैसे ही लगाएंगे बट नीचे से इतना स्प्रेड नहीं करेंगे. अब हम ब्लैक कलर लेंगे और उसे भी आउटवर्ड मोशन में लगाएंगे even closer to your outer corner. Take it to the height which is comfortable to you. Now I'm using matte caramel shade and diffusing all shades together. This will make the eye look more elongated and lifted. Use a clean brush. Remove the tape now to showcase that winged eyeshadow. You can never go wrong because of these buddies. Use a loose powder to remove the stickiness around the eyes. For foundation, I'm using the same FF Cream palette. Take a foundation in your fingers and place it like dots all over your face. आप कोई भी और foundation use कर सकते हैं. I'm now blending it together. If you have seen my previous videos, तो I really don't like this foundation much, but ये multi-purpose है and I don't like to waste my makeup products, तो मैं इसे फिर भी use करती हूँ. For lower eyelid, I'm using matte deep brown first. We are going to start applying from the middle and फिर से outward motion में ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. Use matte caramel to diffuse the shades together. Your eye makeup is now sorted, but to give it an Indian retro look, I'm applying the eyeliner. I'm using Lakme Absolute here. Inner corner में भी इसे लगाना है so that we can get those big eyes. हमारी कोलकाता sisters की तरह. Use a kajal to tighten your lower waterline. I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal. Start from the mid and go outwards. I'm using a bronzer from My Glam Chisel It palette. Bronzer की मदद से आप अपने फेस को एक शार्प एज दे सकते हो. It gives your face a nice chisel look. Try to make a 3 on your face and then blend it. इसे भी upward motion में लगाना है. It gives an illusion that you have a sleek face and it also complements our eye look. I'm using blush from the same palette. Fluffy brush की मदद से उसे ब्रॉन्जर के ऊपर लगाना है ताकि हमारे चीक्स और खिलके दिखें. इसे अप्लाई करते समय स्माइल करना मत भूलिएगा. It will make your cheeks more prominent. फिर हाइलाइटर को ब्लश के ऊपर शार्प एंगल में लगाएं so as to give you that face lift. Apply it on nose and upper lips. Coat your upper and lower eyelashes. I'm using mascara from Maybelline Lash Sensational. We are only going to apply from mid portion and then outwards. अगर आपके पास falsies हैं तो उन्हें कट करके सिर्फ outer side में ही लगाना है. I'm finishing my look with My Glam Manish Malhotra High Shine Lipstick Desert Sweet. It is nude peach shade which looks good in all Indian tones. It is saturated so don't have to apply any lip balm. To make it long lasting, dab it with your fingers. बस लास्ट टच बचा है. Earrings and let's make that pony super high and then we are good to go. This is my finished look. I hope you like it. It's not just the eyeshadow but whole makeup which helped in lifting our face. Made it look sharp, edgy and just like our eyes. ये फॉक्सी मेकअप तो अभी आया बट ये लुक तो हमारी रेट्रो हीरोइंस कब से कर रही हैं. उसके बाद हाई पोनीटेल को कौन भूल सकता है. उसकी वजह से हमारे फेस को ओवरऑल लिफ्ट मिला है. सो दीज वर फ्यू ऑफ माई ट्रिक गाइज. आई होप यू लाइक इट और अगर लाइक किया है तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय एंड टेक केयर.